What's up, Riders Nation? On today's video, we're going to talk about an important Scorpion and Harley Davidson helmet safety recall update. So cue the intro and let's get to it. The Riderz Nation YouTube channel is brought to you in part by the Bike Experience USA, a 501c3 nonprofit organization committed to helping disabled riders get back on motorcycles in a safe, controlled setting. What's going on, Riderz Nation? Thank you for stopping by. I have a pretty important safety recall update for you guys today. On August 26, 2024, I put out a safety recall video for Scorpion and Harley Davidson helmets. I'll give you the model numbers. It's the Harley Davidson HD X07 and the Cobra X helmet. In the video from August 26th, I told you guys that I contacted Scorpion and I spoke to one of their representatives, and the instructions that I got from that representative was to send an email to Scorpion. I did so. I believe it was August 24th, 2 days before the video came out. I didn't get a response from them, so I have called them multiple times. Finally, on September 10th, I got an email response from them. The email response from Scorpion reads as follows: "Thank you for providing us with the information. We appreciate your business, and we should be contacting you soon with return shipping label for your return. Now we are sending your return authorization number. The following is your return authorization number. Please put the helmet in the box about the size of it and write your RMA number outside of the box you will be sending to us. And if your helmet has an accessory attached to it that is not part of the original model, please remove it before sending the helmet to us. Thank you." That was sent out September 10th. It is September 24th, 14 days later. I have not gotten a shipping return label. I contacted Scorpion today, or I attempted to contact Scorpion today. Nobody answered there. So right now, like I said, it's September 24th. I'm going to preempt this week's video that I had uploaded and ready to go, and I'm going to put this video out tomorrow, September 25th, because it's a safety concern. I'm a month into this, and I still don't have my helmet. So if any of you guys out there have these helmets that are on safety recall and you think that it's a quick turnaround and it's going to be a 7-day thing, it's not. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of the background. I did some research, and this can all be found in the original safety recall paperwork, which is posted with my original video. The National Highway Traffic Safety Association tested these helmets in February of 2023. On May 10th of 2024, NHTSA advised Scorpion of the problem with the helmet. On July 5th, 2024, Scorpion put out a safety recall. I got an email response on September 10th, 2024. Funny enough, on the same day, I received this letter. It's not going to work. I'll put it up over my head. I'll put pictures of the letter up over my head. This letter comes from Kaido Sports, which is the parent company of Scorpion. It reads as follows: "Dear valued customer, this notice is being sent to you in accordance with the National Highway Traffic and Motor Vehicle Safety Act. Kaido Sports has decided that certain HD-X07 helmets manufactured from July 2021 through February 2024 fail to conform to Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard number 218 motorcycle helmets. Why does my helmet need replacing? Covert X motorcycle helmets tested by NHTSA at a contracted test lab for motorcycle helmets were found non-compliant with the retention system requirement set forth. Kaido Sports, the manufacturer of Covert X motorcycle helmets and Harley Davidson HDX07 motorcycle helmets, immediately implemented an action plan and conducted an internal investigation. Based on its investigation, Kaido Sports determined that the retention system for the below-mentioned helmets and periods may be non-compliant. Right in. If you like this video, please do us a favor, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and leave us some comments. It really helps the channel out. We have very big plans for the channel. We want to do lots of things, but it all starts with you by hitting that subscribe button, giving us some likes, and giving us some comments. Thank you all, and let's get back to the video. Safety risk. The defect could lead to a chin strap failing to securely fasten the helmet, increasing the risk of the helmet coming loose in a crash. A helmet that detaches from the rider's head during a crash significantly increases the risk of severe head injury or death. No kidding. What the helmet owners should do. Check the DOT certification sticker on the back of the helmet and the production date on the QC sticker to determine if your helmet is affected. The production date is identified in the QC sticker that can be found on the inner wall of the EPS liner after peeling off the crown liner as shown in the photograph to the right. Like I said, guys, I'll put pictures of the letter up over my head. If you own an HDX07 DOT helmet in any size with any manufacturer date between July 2021 through February 2024, please stop using the helmet immediately and contact us via the telephone number, email, address provided below. I'll give it to you guys one more time. It is posted on my original video. The number is 1-888-672-6774. The email is service@scorpionusa.com. The customers are requested to submit the following information: the customer's full name, mailing address, and/or email address, purchase price, if applicable, the receipt, copy, or the purchasing invoice, helmet model, size, production date, location where the customer purchased the subject helmet. After issuing the RMA number, our office will arrange for the collection of your helmet. Upon receipt of your helmet, a replacement helmet will be provided to you. Both the collection of your existing helmet and the delivery of the replacement helmet will be handled by our forwarder free of charge. So funny enough, I received this. Sorry, guys, you can't see it. I received this after I emailed them. So if you're sitting at home and you think that you're going to get a safety recall notice without contacting them, I don't think you're going to get it. If you think you're going to get a quick response out of them, I wouldn't be very hopeful for that either. Finally, on September 14th, I bought a backup helmet. Now, look, I needed a backup helmet anyway, but I was forced to spend $200 on a backup helmet because I was almost a month in it at the time. I was borrowing someone else's helmet and I could no longer borrow that helmet. So I had to spend the additional $200. The first place I tried to go was the Harley Davidson dealership that I bought my helmet at, not to any fault of their own, but corporate Harley Davidson appears to be taking a hands-off approach to this, saying it's Scorpion's problem. They manufactured the helmet, so you can't return your helmet to any Harley Davidson dealership where you may have bought it. So if you choose to contact your Harley Davidson dealership where you bought your helmet, you're probably not going to get anywhere. So the best thing for you to do if you own one of these helmets and on the paperwork is pictures of the helmet, So you'll be able to see, if you don't know what model your helmet is, you'll be able to see pictures of it. If you have one of these helmets, you need to stop wearing it immediately. You need to contact Scorpion at the number that I gave you, and you need to start the process. I am going to try to call them tomorrow and probably every day until I get a response. But the responses aren't coming quickly, and this is not going to get fixed quickly. So I wanted to give you guys this quick update, and so you guys would get the information so nobody gets hurt. That's really all I got for you guys today. Whatever you do, I would say it would be a very bad idea to ignore this. As always, stay safe, live the dream.